If your production workshop needs to conduct temperature and humidity sampling checks hundreds of times every day, then a regular temperature and humidity meter is very cumbersome, so try the HENGKO temperature humidity meter. HENGKO temperature humidity meter, small in size as a palm, adopts a high-precision temperature and humidity sensor probe. Calculate every 10 milliseconds to ensure real-time data updates. Let's demonstrate now. Approximately 300 grams of HENGKO desiccant 2. Boiling water. 3. Power on. We can see that its humidity resolution is 0.1. The resolution of temperature, dew point, and wet bulb is all 0.01. Then, we put it in a high temperature and humidity environment, and we can see its temperature and humidity data. The changes are very fast, and the response is very sensitive. Again, we put it in an extremely dry environment, and you can also see its dew point temperature data, which changes very sensitively. During our work, we use a HENGKO handheld humidity meter to conduct spot checks on temperature and humidity, which is really fast and accurate. In addition, it also comes with software functions for data storage, analysis, and one-click table making. Do you love this humidity inspection device? Comment or contact HENGKO by email at kaihenko.com to learn more details today.